Welcome to Absolution System Integration Smart Factory. We tie your enterprise planning, warehouse intelligence, and manufacturing execution into one live, always-on intelligent system. Orders hit the system and every corner of the plant reacts in real time. At the inbound logistics, AGV forklift glides under the pallet of raw material, rolls through a scanning gate, thousands of materials scanned, and within seconds, confirms receipt against the ERP. A robot depalletizer places cartons onto material racks engineered for mobility. An AMR docks beneath the rack, lifts and moves into the lights-out warehouse. No lights, no people, just 24/7 autonomous storage and retrieval. At the production floor, when the MES signals a work order, as soon as the SKU is requested, the warehouse management system dispatches the AMR. It picks the exact rack, routes through corridors, and delivers materials to the production line, ready to be kitted. Zero paper, zero waiting, perfect traceability. We also build factory automation and integrate robotic solutions to execute your manufacturing processes with micron-level repeatability. Recipes and parametric setups download directly from the MES. Every cycle are logged and streamed as machine data for real-time tracking. At the Quality Station Vision Inspection System harnesses deep learning models to spot anomalies and dimensional drift in real time, all while feeding insight to our enterprise dashboard system for instant OEE and predictive maintenance analytics. Finished units slide into an automatic packaging cell, boxed and labeled with robotic precision. Work-in-progress status updates sync back to the MES, closing the manufacturing feedback loop. Palletized boxes transfer onto mobile racks, and AMR moves them to the finished goods storage in the light-out warehouse, governed by the same warehouse intelligence. At the outbound logistic, when a shipment order drops, an AMR retrieves the specified rack, delivers it to a palletizing robot, and an AGV forklift move the load onto a waiting trailer. From start to finish, Absolution System Integration delivers an end-to-end, lights-out, data-driven ecosystem that elevates throughput, slashes defects, and unlocks the true potential of smart manufacturing.